Hello everyone, welcome back to the 30 Days of JavaScript Challenge. Today we're on part 28, Event Emitter. Event Emitter. Design an Event Emitter class. This interface is similar to the one found in Node.js, or the event target interface of the DOM. The event emitter should allow for subscribing to events and emitting them. Your event emitter class should have the following two methods. Subscribe. This takes in two arguments, the name of the event as a string and a callback function. The callback function will later be called when the event is emitted. An event should be able to have multiple listeners for the same event. Each should be called in order in which they're subscribed. No call. Okay. Emit this method takes in two arguments, the name of an event as a string and an optional array of arguments that will be passed to the callbacks. If there are no callbacks subscribed to the given event, return an empty array. Otherwise, return an array of the results of all callbacks in the order they were subscribed. All right, so to do this is going to take a lot of code. So we're going to mute the mics, we're going to play some nice music, and I'll be back to explain everything. So what we did is we first set an event map, which will map our current event names listed and each of their callback functions. Within the subscribe method, we say if our events map has the current event name, then we say if the event at the given event name does not have this callback already, then we will set the event name, and then we will pass in a new copy of its array with the previous callbacks, and then we add the new callback in. Otherwise, if the event name hasn't been added to our events map yet, we simply set the event name, and then for its value will be an array, pass in the callback. And then to unsubscribe, we simply say if our given event name includes the callback, then we will set a copy of our previous array of callbacks, but just filter out the callback that equals to this callback. So we successfully unsubscribe. And then when it comes to emitting, we will first have an empty array as a result. So if we don't have the event name, it simply just returns an empty array. But if we do have the event name, we grab the callbacks into a variable, and then we run a for each loop on each of the callbacks, and then we push the result of the function with the specified arguments to our results, and we return. So yeah, let's run it. It worked, and let's submit it. There we go. We passed. That's it for part 28 of the 30 Days of JavaScript Challenge. Thanks for watching. Code Bit out.